Testing, testing. Are we live? We probably are. Maybe, possibly. Let's see. See if we need to change any settings or anything. Maybe a little bit quiet. Let's see what that does. Maybe that makes this a little bit louder. I don't know, man. Let's see, testing, testing. Let's see how this sounds. Does it sound any better? Hello, hello. I don't think that's gonna change anything. Any filters? No. See, I don't think I can do any better than what it's at. Let's see, put it at, maybe, there we go. See what that does. Maybe louder, Jesus. Okay. Let's see from here. Is this sounding any better? It may sound a little bit better. Maybe a little bit louder. Maybe there. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's going to be the best that we can get it at. And we'll just keep it there. All right. So yeah, we're just doing some things, moving some stuff. Desk is probably gonna stay a mess tonight and then worry about it some other day. But what do we have in order? What do we have? What do we have? I guess we can check on this one. Let's see. It says so apparently they did a display replacement on this. Well, you can't. it still looks silver there, but if I can get it just right. This is a gold. This is a silver. So you can kind of see it's a little bit different. What is this saying? Warning. Oh. Yeah. Bit rate. It is what it is. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Yeah, we're just going to mess around a bit tonight. Nothing too crazy. Nothing important or major going on. So it is what it is. I'm using a freaking Wi-Fi dongle. Like, I'm not going to get constant connection. But anyways, they had the top replaced, the screen replaced. That just feels like crap. And now, let me say keyboard doesn't work. So we're just gonna get a test on the voltage. We got 20 volts, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 going up. 8.9 amps. They never said anything about it not powering on or anything. Okay, screen works. We got a screen. Yep. No keyboard. The power button works because the power button is connected to a totally different circuit. It's its own button. So what we're going to do is we're going to, I think it's Command R. So if we can hold Command R, power it on, get it to the options. That means the system recognizes the keyboard. They may be lucky. I say lucky. Since it doesn't work, that means we have the ability to try. Let's see. Yeah, just had to make sure it is Command R. I have a horrible memory, so I forget so many things. We'll try one more time just to see if it works. We did not boot one more time, so we're just going to say that the keyboard is not working at all. Which is a positive. That's a positive thing. Now we got to get into it. Let's see which one. They are missing 4 screws. Like, bruh. Oh, now let's see. Okay, you gotta be careful with this. I always forget which way it pops open. Do, 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 do. Yeah, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna make sure. I don't open these too often, so I'm not 100% sure. So we're gonna go to the handy dandy iFixit, and we are gonna look up, because I would hate to just rip a cable off. I'll just get a logic board, why not? Fasten, yep. What? That is so weird. I'm probably not gonna follow the way that this one says it, but oh well. But I think they put some adhesive in this, because I think it's just supposed to pop off, but it's not budging. Keep it from grip, let's say. Because it lifts completely fine on one side. Oh, there it goes. Oh, well, that's cool. Well, yeah. No wonder why it doesn't freaking work. There's some corrosion. There's water. Some water damage in here. Jesus Christ. Okay. It's okay. What are those? Can't see. That was a smaller star? No. Can't be right. Yeah, it could be. Definitely not a smaller star. Alright. What am I going for? What the heck? That is wild. Do I have another spudger? I hope I have another spudger. I think I got another spudger. Oh, that's a huge spudger. But we're going to use it. So there's a little button in here. I won't be able to show you, but... Two Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4. Oh no, I didn't press it long enough. Gotta get a light in here. Press it. Alright. So I did what it said. The LED is not flashing, so it says to press and hold for 10 seconds, release, and repeat 3 times. So I did that. Should be good now. Remove that one. Okay, so you go pop. pull through, release. Now I'm able to open it up all the way. Whee! Oh boy. Says I should, like, just there's something in there disconnected, but oh well. Oh. This is only going to be difficult because it's separated in a weird way. Need to at least separate the top from the bottom, so. We'll go ahead and do that. Is that a different size? Are you serious? That's a plus. Oh my gosh. They are not wanting us to have any sort of fun. We'll get our decently sized spudger. Pop. Okay, there's one connection. Got that one out, and display cable should be next. We got a retaining clip, I guess. Boop. Okay, okay. That's all loose, ain't it? That's all loosey-goosey, for the most part. Ooh, god dang. Okay, easy there. Okay. Okay, that separated. Woohoo! Like, I don't know if you can see, but we can get our handy dandy microscope out finally. Oop. Some corrosion. We're gonna have to minimize that. Jesus Christ, Betty. That's as clear as I'm gonna get it, but we got the water damage sticker. And we got some corrosion right there. Now I see something totally different than what y'all are seeing. Oh, that's not good. Let's do that. That'll be a little bit better. Definitely a little bit of crud. A little bit of corrosion down the pins, but I don't know if that is all. So we're gonna get a brush. Soak it with some isopropyl alcohol. Gotta be gentle. As I can be. It's gonna be the best I can do there. I don't think that one is going to affect it really at all, because that's what looks like the audio plug anyways, so. Get a little bit closer. Ooh, brother. I have to manually change the focus. It just looks like fuse is covered, I'm guessing. We're gonna assume that's okay for the time being. It's all good. So we're going to assume that this is all good for the most part. I think I see what the freaking problem is. Oh, God. People, I swear. See if I can get the focus on. It's gonna be the best. Tell me what looks wrong about this. Let me level it out for you a little bit. Oh, maybe if I... Maybe if I had this turned the right way. You see anything wrong with this thing? It's a little bit crooked. Ouch. This cable's a little bit crooked. So what we're gonna do, pop it out. We're gonna reseat it, reconnect everything, and we're gonna see if our keyboard magically works. All right, let's see. Let's see, which way is best? I had it like this, standing up. Boom. Get that close. And we did this one first. Looks good. And we did this cable, which we cleaned, but probably not going to do anything. There we go. Locked in place. Then we got our important one, the power plug one. See if we can get this right. The way they have this just sucks. Okay, that feels seated. We're gonna hope it's seated. One screw. Two screw. And they had us flip it completely around. Wedge a tool in. Now we gotta wedge this in. Okay. I think that's all connected. All screws are back. Okay, I'm not gonna be dumb. I'm not gonna screw it in just yet, because we can simply just flip it around like that. Plug it in. We're up to 0.9. Let's see if it'll have enough power to at least turn on. Stinky. So, bad news. Well, good news first. Keyboard lit up. So, obviously something worked. Bad news. Fucking no display. What the fuck is that? You, brother. Fucking hate this time of year. Bugs are so bad. Okay. That time I did see a light, so I guess that only happens if there's enough juice. Now, all I can do is hope that it's just not seated properly. If it's not seated or like wedged in properly, then oh yeah, I don't think it just was all the way in. Look at me do the same mistake these people did. Golly. That's karma right there. Alright, now is this side all the way in? Feels like it. Plug that in. Fantastic. Lay everything down. Feel good, feel great. Now, we try one more time. Got a display on that one. Woohoo! In the meantime, crack open one of these. Yummy, yummy. Keyboard is lighting up as well. Don't know if you can see that. Ooh, hoo, hoo. We can type shit now. Mouse moves around and everything. Yeah, it's not showing anything. Yeah, mouse moves. Stuff types. Fantastic. Finally, some sort of good. Past couple days, some of the repairs I've been doing have not been going well. And they're all just dead in the waters. So I'm just glad that one is finally good. One is finally usable. Now we just had the 4 screws that was all that they left us. I will charge their device so when they pick up it is completely charged and ready for them. And that one's all done and good. Yummy. I don't know. They'll figure it out. Alright. Obviously, I'm going to do a small charge on that. Nothing too crazy. Now we got a disaster pile. Multiple controllers. They have just given an absolute disaster. Don't know what's happening. Oh. Well, ain't that a spicy little pillow? That may be all that one is. Let's see. What the heck is this? This is some sketchy ass shit right here. I guess they have the different plugs, I guess. It'll just sit there in the ether. It says overheated. It's flashing. I mean, battery seems to work for it. Yeah. I'll have to hook it up, do a test on that one, but I'm going to set that one aside for now because it seems functional at the moment. I don't know what they're talking about. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, this one, I'm gonna set that to the side. Hopefully it doesn't freaking explode. This one just says try different charging port. Charging port, I don't know if you can see, it may not focus. But it's mangled in there, basically. Jesus Christ. Pop, 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 there we go. Split that. Notice that the battery is incredibly smaller than the other behemoth that we replaced the other one with. So this one just pops out like that. Like that. Get that out of the way. Looks like the screw gets stripped. So let's see if we can get it out or not. Oh yeah, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And they provided this stuff. I don't know. I see, because they got the wrong model. One of these is not like the other. Wonder if they'd work the same though. Probably not. Looking at it here, seeing what lines goes to what. And seeing if we can just swap these ports. So I don't think the... Where even would my micro USB ones be? Gosh, I can't. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to do a deep clean on this desk in here. Boy, howdy, it is jam-packed. Oh, let's see. Which one was it again? Boop, boop. It's you. Oh, it's already open. That's cool. Oh, that means we can pop it out to examine it. Nope. Immediately will not work. It is the wrong side. So, I mean, I could just desolder one of these, solder it onto this one. Is that what I want to do, though? that would be low cost, high reward. Let's just see if we're lucky and this other one is a different style. There's another box in here, but I don't think it's going to be any different. Fresh off the manufacturing belt. Yeah, no, it's the same side and everything, so negative. So now that just means we have 4 attempts to remove the port. I don't know what this one was saying. Charging port works, question mark, but not, question mark. So we're just gonna put a pin in it. Set that one aside. Look at this bad boy. Ouch. We're going to plug in an amp meter. I won't be able to show you if it's reading anything or not because it is off screen. We'll see if this cable works. Oop, bump. I mean, it's loose. Could be the cable though. There may not be any wedges on that cable. Actually, I can test that theory with one of these. Does it plug good? The latch is on. I swear, I have so many of these freaking USB, whatchamacalls them. It may just be the cable. But none of them work that well. This one's my only use for camera cable. It is the, I know works for sure, and it's very long, and I don't want it messed up at all, cable. Yawn. Did I unplug that? I did not. It's still on. I have no idea what that's plugged into. I actually have no idea. Where does this go? I know it is that big plug. What's this plugged into then? Oh, you're plugged in up there. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. I did a smart thing for once. Kept one cable out of the way. Cable will go there for now. Anchor remote will sit on the weight. Okay, that's fine. You look like a thick cable for no good reason. Why is that? Oh, you're a Type B. Why do I have a Type B over here? Taking up my precious space. Throw you in the loony bin. I don't see any other cable, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this one apart. Say screw it, and I'm gonna unscrew it. That ain't good. That one's not twisting well. That could mean busted. Okay, it's twisting out. It's okay, everybody. It is A-okay. I'm gonna turn down the gain because it's saying that I am clipping so hard. Or actually, can I add a filter? I can add a filter. I can add a filter. A noise gate, I think. And I mean, that'll make it to where a limiter. Maybe. Hello! Hello! Ah! Ah! Yeah, that'll make it to where it only goes so high. Maybe. We'll see. There we go. Pop this apart because I think that is it. Correct? Yep. Ouch. I am wrong, ain't I? No? I thought I was running. Am I wrong? It's like they have a false spot there. That's weird. No! I know I'm doing something wrong here. It has been forever since I've opened one of these. When in doubt, break it out. I fix it. Yeah, I'm just having a rough time with this one, I guess. Jesus Christ. So yeah, they're just like, yeah, just pop those screws off and open it up, bitch. I'm just like, okay, god dang. Getting there, I'm getting there. I removed the screws, right? Yeah. I think it's this metal part. It's giving me an issue. Oh, there's corrosion in the mic port thingy. Corrosion here. Bruh. Let me open you. Ugh. This controller may make me call it quits tonight. Yeah, I don't know why I'm having such a hard time with this one. Literally, it's just okay. Pop, 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 pop. All you are popped. Pop, 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 pop. Go around. Pop. Pop. Oh, of course. It's always the last one. Always. Every single time. See, this is the same one, but that one is not. So we will just replace this one since they provided it. Hate these things. Even if it was me, show me the way. Hey, yeah. Why is there tape on this one? I don't know. Kind of weird, bud. Take it, screw you in. Bada bing, bada boom. This one goes like this first. Yep. First, then second. This one third. Yeah. I think I just put a crappy one in. Oh yeah, definitely freaking crappy. Gosh, freaking dang it. It's just the cable, so I'm just gonna swap the cable out. Could just use the same cable. It's not bad. Guess we'll go ahead, reinstall all this junk. And pop that back in, kaboom. Now we're gonna see if it charges or not. No. So it could have just been the freaking cable. Gosh darn it. Okay, guess we'll have to use the good cable. Definitely no good cable. Did that not work? I don't know. I know that one works, but it's not reading well. So I don't know. Could just be crappy thingamawhatsit, but I think I'm gonna stop for tonight. It's getting late. Gotta go to bed at least. Wake up at a decent time. No, there was nobody watching, but I appreciate it nonetheless. Always worth trying something. You never know. Hopefully we can keep doing this. I'd like to keep streaming. That'd be pretty cool. But anyways, appreciate anybody watching. Until next time, goodbye.